Hello dear, this is Suresh and you are watching Aspiraj English classes. I am here again with my new video. In this video I am going to talk what are the problems of speaking English and how can we get rid of it. If you know the problem, then you can remove it. So at first you have to know what are the problems of learning English. Today I am going to share with you 3 obstacles of learning English. So let's get started. The first problem of learning English is you. Yes, you are the first problem of learning English. If you have a strong desire to learn English, then believe me, no one can stop you. If you don't want to learn, then no one can teach you. And if you want to learn, then no one can stop you. No one can deprive you of English. So start speaking in English. Whatever comes on your mind, bring it on your mouth and speak it. So start speaking from today. Your second obstacle of speaking English is lack of confidence. When you start speaking English, then you begin to think too much. You are correct or not, your sentence is proper or not, and this is the reason of hesitation. You need to be confident in English. Whatever comes on your mind, just speak it. Don't think about your mistake, because your mistake is your best teacher. If you are doing any mistake, don't worry about the mistake. Don't be scared of making a mistake, because your mistake can teach you better than a regular teacher. Now the third and main problem of speaking English is word problem. When you face word problem, then you stop speaking. You should not stop. What should you do then? You should continue. Suppose I am giving you an example here. I went to forest and I saw a big tree. I forgot the name of that tree. Then what can we speak? We can describe the word. I saw a big tree. The name of the tree, I forgot the name of the tree. But the tree gives fruit on summer season. What is the name of the tree? Mango, correct. Then we can remember that mango is the name of that tree. Otherwise, the listener can remember that mango is the name of that tree. In this way, we can remove word problem. We can describe the word. So, I told you in my previous video that word problem is not the biggest problem. Try to describe the word and speak it. It will be easy for you. For the time being, I am going to show you a video. Have a look on it.
Hello friends, hi, I am Rahul Gore. I am going to speak about my topic. The name of my topic is habit. I get up 5 o'clock in the morning. After that, I come out from house. Then after, I go to well. After going well, I wash mouth. Having washed mouth, I come back house. After that, I take breakfast. Then after, I go to tuition. After going to tuition, I read. Having read, I come back house. After that, I go to well. After going well, I take bath. Having taken bath, I come back house. After that, I take lunch. Then after, I wash mouth and hands. After that, I sleep sometime. Then after, I wake up. After that, I go to play. Then after, I play sometime. After playing, I come back house. Having come back house, I go to read. After that, I take dinner. Then after, I sleep. Thank you, friends.
I saw a video. Rahul has spoken his daily routine just like this. You can speak a lot of sentences. You can speak every sentences what is happening around you. Try to make sentences about your daily life. What are you doing? What is happening? Everything translate into English and try to speak. This is the simplest and best way of learning English. In this way, you can learn English easily. I think this video will help you by many ways. So do subscribe my channel and share it.